Is IDM pathing failed due to the idmnetmon64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we dive into the idmnetmon64 troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the idmnetmon64, the Internet Download Manager IDM Network Monitor 64-bit. It manages the unmanaged interception of network packets to detect downloadable media. It facilitates the real-time data link between the web browser and the IDM download engine manifests. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error commonly appears when IDM files are missing or corrupted. Reinstall the official version of IDM to repair the application and replace idmnetmon64.dll. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the idmnetmon64 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video, or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Because the restart didn't stabilize the connection stack, we'll perform a full network synchronization now. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netsh space IINT space IAP space RREESSET, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space WINSOCK space RESEET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, this process clears the internal network plumbing by purging corrupted configuration caches, ensuring that your connectivity DLLs can re-establish a clean handshake with the OS. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone idmnetmon64.dll downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references idmnetmon64 configuration concepts. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved idmnetmon64 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.